Today we are making pork chops in the air fryer. Let's get cooking. First, we want to pat our pork chops dry. Next, we want to put plenty of olive oil on our pork chops. And these are regular boneless pork chops that are available at your grocery store. They're each about 1/3 of a pound. Now we want to add our seasonings. We have seasoning salt, and we want to be generous with that seasoning salt. We have garlic powder. Here's the paprika. Paprika gives it a beautiful color, and it tastes good, of course. Okay, now flip them over and season the other side. Almost forgot, we need black pepper. Now to help that seasoning stay on, I like to pat it with a spoon. We want to preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees for about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, let's put these delicious pork chops in our air fryer. Oh, what a nice sizzle. I like that sound. 2 and 3. All right, we're gonna cook these at 400 degrees for 4 minutes, and then we'll flip them over. So that gives me just a quick minute to tell you a dad joke. What state has the smallest drinks? Minnesota. Where do bees stay for vacations? At an Airbnb, of course. All right, these have been in for 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip them over. We're gonna put them back in the air fryer and let them cook another 3 to 7 minutes, depending on your air fryer and the thickness of your pork chops. We just wanna make sure they cook to an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, our pork chops have cooked an additional 4 minutes. Let's check the temp. Oh yeah, we're over 145. Looks good. Okay, we've got these plated. Let's go ahead and cover them with foil and let them rest. Cover these with foil and let them rest for about 5 minutes. All right, our pork chops have had a chance to rest for 5 minutes. Let's see what we've got. Oh my goodness. They look amazing. Still hot and very juicy. Let's go ahead and cut one open. Oh yeah. Looks amazing. Turned out perfectly. I think you'll love this recipe. Go for it. And thanks for watching today.